Komiti mar budget od bura maduong' ma pacho ka kendo Kiharu Ndiri Nyoro wacho ni sirikal chano tiyo bilion piny pacho ka. Kinde mano wayanga paya maduong' gwenge ma Kale Shiungi kod Gitui. Nyoro nomedo ni kwan omenda mar tieko gedo mar apaya mag Mau Mau. Olero ni omenda maromo bilion 18 ibiro ted dongruok mag bilion 7.5 miket ne mbolea bilion 1 mar kelo dongruok e kembe mag sirikal kod kembe mag skari kod bilion 1.5 mar jiwo chenro mag kambi chak mar KCC. Gino mabiro kelo jopur chak mapacho ka.
We have allocated around 57 billion shillings that will be going into our roads in the next financial year. We are mostly targeting roads around. All the 57 billion will majorly be going into completion of ongoing roads across the country. We have also invested resources for the confirmation of JSS in tons. We have sustained the 18.7 billion that was there in the budget for confirmation of JSS in tons into permanent and pensionable terms. We are to go into the both food crops and cash crops. We are also putting around shillings that will go crops because you here wakulima wetu wa miwa wako kule Mara Pwani na pia tuwashikilie kwa sababu pia tumeweka pesa 3 billion katika coffee cherry fund, na hii pesa ya maneno ya kahawa ikuwe biashara kwa wakulima wetu.